Hello children, now I am with the fifth part of the understanding media and advertising. Now here children we have done up to what is the importance of advertisement, why advertising is zaruri, it's require its importance. Now the time where we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of advertising, means what are the benefits are there and what are the so now we should come to the topic. So children, advertising is the name given to the process of commercial promotion of goods and services in order to increase the sales. As already we have discussed, the advertising or promotion of that product, the aim is that selling of that product, means increasing in the number of that selling, it should be increased. Advertising can be done by means of number of media like television, newspaper, wall painting, billboards, magazines, internet, and by words of mouth. Yes children, this also we have explained, I have explained you. Again I am telling you, the advertising can be done by means of number of media, means there are various way. Okay, there are various way to advertise, okay, of our product, as like by television also, newspaper also, wall painting, billboards, magazines, internet, and by word of mouth, mean mouth to mouth publicity. As we suppose that you are using any of the products, suppose that any soap is there or any shampoo is there or any of the health drink is there which you like and which you feel that really it improves in my health, or it's really improves in my skin, or it's really improve in my hair problem. So what do? You start sharing with your friends and relatives also. So that is called the mouth to mouth advertisement. As television, you know that when you watch the television, that either it is a music show or any of the serials are there, or movies are there, even your cartoon shows are there. In that also you see in between the advertisements are there. And newspaper, whenever you see the newspaper, in that also you will see that promotion of the products will be there. By internet, nowadays you are using the internet, so you know that in between so many ads are also coming in that. Wall paintings are there. If you will go for wandering any of the place or any of the mall or any of the in the way of your walking, yet you will see that so many wall paintings of there. So there are various way to advertise our means product. Advertising inform the buyers about the availability of certain product or service in the market and encourage them to buy it. See, advertising is not only to tell you about the product only, that what are the qualities are there and what are the benefits of there to buy that product. It's tell you that the availability of that product in the market, means now that product is available in the market, to tell the public, to aware the public, and to encourage them also to buy that. Then only we go and we see that product in the market and we try to buy that. Advertising has a number of uses. Apart from promoting commercial goods, advertising can also be used to educate and motivate the public about the non-commercial issues such as AIDS, water and electricity conservation, deforestation, family planning, etc. But till yet we have discussed about the advertisement of the product, services which we like to see also, and we like to buy also, and sometimes we want the changes in our taste. So for that also we want something new, and the companies and market is ready for that, with the coming with the new ideas and thought with the products. But advertising is not only for the buying the thing and selling the things only. Advertising, it's apart from the promoting the commercial goods, है ना. Advertising can there is a, we can say the advertising can also be used to educate and motivate the public also. Advertising is not only the part of the buying and selling the things only, children, but here advertising somewhere it help us to educate and to motivate the public about the non-commercial issues, as like AIDS. They tell us about the diseases, even though water and electricity conservation also, how can we save the water, why we should save the water, है ना. This all this thing also it's we get from the advertising, means that they help us to educate and motivate us about the non-commercial issues also, है ना, as the deforestation, even the family planning also. So time to time the advertisement it's come with the new issues also, and whatever the issues are there already we are facing with that problem, they are coming and they are educated, they are educators, and they motivate us to and make us understand that how is it importance to understand these issues also. It is a powerful media which is capable of reaching out the masses living in remote area. Nowadays we find many advertisements on the internet also, that these successful connecting these advertisements in most cases have been successful connecting the users with the information they require. Yes, advertisement nowadays we can say really it is a powerful media, children, as you are also watching that nowadays, and we also face so many problems, but it help to us, because nowadays we find that many advertisement on the internet also, you can see that these advertisement in most of the cases have been successfully connected the users with the information they required, whatever the information they required. So by the internet it's reached to them very easily, as you are also by sitting at home, that your parents are working, है ना, and we are also able to give you class, and you are able to take your class. So these are all just because of this media it is possible. So we can say it is the powerful media. The advertisements are designed to influence a class of people. So we see different types of advertisements mean to target the viewers of varying age group, such as infants, children, girls, young, middle age, and senior citizen. Yes, of course the advertisement it is designed to influence the class of people, means your products also categorize in the different age group of people. So that it is given that, as we can say the Horlicks. So Horlicks is not for only the children, but it is for the nowadays women. Horlicks is also there. So the companies they make the target to the every age of people. Then a group of people is there, that children are also there, youngsters are also there, old age senior citizens are also there. So to target to all, so viewers of varying age group of such they target. To prevent complete commercialization of electronic media, some countries have made it mandatory for broadcasters to air some advertisements related to the consumer interest. These public advertisements have taken initiative to educate people on a number of social and moral issues. As I before that also we have discussed. So advertisement, some of to prevent the complete commercialization, they have taken this. Some countries, they have made mandatory also for the broadcast that they should advertisement related to the consumer interest. So that's the reason they have taken initiative to take people on a number of social and moral issues. However, children, some people are keen on exposing the negative sides of advertising, as effects of advertisement vary from one person to another person. That I will explain you how is it. The tender minds of children easily get attracted towards the advertisements, while the grown up follow later. Yes, any of the advertisement, its affect children fast, because you people attract very fast with the new things, because we all like that new thing. It's not that only children are there, but children, they are we can say they are most active personality to attract to any of the things, and which is the things which is you have an interest in that, so you attracted most in that as compared to the elder one. So it is and the mature individual do not easily falls in a trap. Instead, they realize and judge the veracity of that advertisement. As you people are ready, no mama, this time we are going to change of this product, but your parent easily not ready for that, because you attract with that advertisement, but your parents, they judge that, they realize that, they think about that product, they read properly about that product, and then they decided whether they have to buy or not. So that's why advertisement anyhow they attract children fast compared to the tenders or adult one or mature person, we can say. Excessive advertising has become an ad in most of the cities of the world. Manufacturers often make false claims about their product and influence the people. To confront this problem, companies are being asked to withdraw any false and negative claims made in their advertisement, and also being made to pay a fine for making false claims. So sometime it is also there that excessive advertisement that has become an added in most of the cities and of the world. So manufacturers often make false claims. Sometimes it is there that they make the false claim so about their products, so and influence the people. Sometimes they do that for the selling the product. So if it is there, so that also to confirm this problem, the companies are being asked to withdraw and false any negative complaints made in their advertisement, so they have to pay fine for making false claim. Means if any of the false claims are found in that manufacturer, in that company, so they have to pay fine for that. So here we have read, children, about advertising advantages and disadvantages. So these are the topic which we have discussed. As I told you, I'm going very slowly so you can understand. If any problem is there, so you can ask to me. As I told you, in short, again I'm telling you, advertising is the name given to the process of commercial promotion of goods and services in order to increase the sales. One thing is that advertisement which we watch, that's only about the increase in the number of selling of that product. The advertisement you can see in various way, by that is like a television, newspaper, wall painting, है ना, billboards, magazine, internet, and by what, by mouth to mouth. So you have seen that what is the, and sometimes not only about the products only, but because of the some social issues also, they advertise, they by advertising they educate they educate us and motivate us, and they aware us about the non-commercial issues like AIDS, water, electricity conservation, deforestation, and family planning, etc. So as you have seen that in this corona time also, that in 2019 and 20 years, that you have seen that how internet help us to solve our problem, and its interior part of the place also, we are able to get any of the information or educate the people very easily just because of this powerful media. So we should not forget it. So children, up to here only in this part. Next part you will get the another topic.